Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one for the US market. It says Sriracha chicken flavor massive pillow pack. It's made in Vietnam. I could venture a guess on the company that's actually making this for the company that's presenting it, but I won't. But I think I know who. I've had a lot of noodles, ladies and gentlemen, and this noodle block is screaming a certain producer, which is cool. I like that. Boiled noodle and okay, water is boiling, and they want you to add the noodle and the seasoning, and it's going to go for 4 minutes. We're going to talk about being nice on the internet, because you know, it's not always the nicest place. No, not always. But that can be fun too. Squeak! Whoa, that is a lot of powder. Alright. Ooh, that smells spicy. So we're gonna try to get the bra pilot. Possibly this is the last time this will be used. But yeah, it really says bra pilot, as you can see right there. Weird, huh? That's kind of weird. I've got a like a waist pack. Some might go with waist packs. Some people might call them fanny packs. But I've got one, and the company, or at least the brand name of this particular waist pack is oxpecker, which actually is a kind of bird, but it's kind of funny. Anyways, so I did a mukbang a long time ago, and it was actually a Tapatio ramen one, which is the same company that does this Sriracha, which is the same company that did the Choi on the last video. And it was funny because I did the unboxing for all this stuff yesterday, but this guy, whose YouTube handle is Dr. Fraser Crane, I can't think of a lamer TV show, to be honest. You know, you might like it, that's fine. But anyways, Dr. Fraser Crane said, "This is horrible, this is a bad YouTuber." I'm a bad YouTuber for this guy. So he was mad. He said I was, what was it? Money begging. I watched my video. I didn't beg for any money. And this person can't be serious, especially if they have their children, their obnoxious children in the video. I'm like, they were funny in the video. They can be obnoxious. But I think that guy can be obnoxious. So there. But it's just like, I don't know. Maybe he's mad because I've mentioned my exceedingly liberal political views in prior videos. I am a bleeding heart liberal for the most part. There are certain things that I think that there's liberal stuff that makes me want to barf, but there are a lot of it, you know, I'm pro. So anyway, but yeah, I was like, when I realized, oh, that's the guy who plays Frasier. He was actually the guy who, the actor's name is Kelsey Grammer, and he was actually he played like a commander in Star Trek in one episode. He made like a little cameo, which is cool. I hear he's a big Star Trek fan. But I was like, what did he do? Something happened with that guy. What was like the cheesy tabloid story about that guy? Did he like touch a little kid or something? No, he didn't do that. We had a drug problem. He was a cokehead. And he multiple times checked into the Betty Ford clinic, and I read a thing in Wikipedia saying he would go on the set of Frasier and just be like a total train wreck. And then it's like, okay, action. And then he would just like snap into character and do all the stuff he was supposed to do. And then it was like, okay, cut. And then he would just go like, ugh. So I told the guy, dude, I think you're relapsing. Maybe you better go back to Betty Ford. It's not nice to act this way. And you need to buy you should be eating more and just stay away from that bad crowd. But there's something my brother has told me. There was like, he lives in Jerusalem. He's Jewish. I'm not. I didn't grow up being religious whatsoever, but he did. And he said he knew a rabbi that one of the, I think it was a rabbi, and he said that, like, he mentioned this quote from the guy, and I thought it was just great. And what did he say? He was like, you should always be nice. You should always be nice. It doesn't cost you anything. Just be nice. I love that kind of crap. I gotta be honest. But it's true. Yeah, just be nice. Come on. People are so cranky. I don't get it. People just get so mad and insipid. I see it every day. Yep, thick noodle. It is made in Vietnam, but it definitely has telltale characteristics, absolutely telltale characteristics of a South Korean style noodle. This is totally ramen. There's no way around it. That is good. I'm getting a little heat from that. Poor Miles, he's really got a nasty cough. I'm going to go ahead and say, so this is a Hoi Fong licensed Sriracha noodle. I gotta say, this one, I'm definitely getting that flavor, that garlic and heat of Sriracha sauce. Of like, the squeezy bottle with the rooster on it, Sriracha sauce. Note, they don't make that in Vietnam. They make that in LA. And I've read articles about like people that live in the area when they're actually making Sriracha sauce, they like put like megatons of peppers in a thing, and then they put the garlic in and do all this stuff, and then they got to heat it up. When they heat it up, the neighbors aren't too enthused by that. People talking about, like an article about people's like eyes burning and complaining to the city council. It's just like, well, maybe move away from an industrial area. I don't know. That would get old. I could see that. Because they make a lot of that stuff. It's probably... I would go... I don't know. I'm sure it's no fun next to the Tabasco plant either. I don't know if they still make it on... what was it? Avery Island? I don't know. They've had a lot of bad weather in that area of the country. Hurricanes and tropical monstrosities coming through. All right, let's see if we can. Let's get you more up into business angle. But God, there was a seasoning that I really, really liked, and I think it was when Hurricane Katrina hit. Then I never saw this hot sauce ever again, and it wasn't hot sauce. It was like a like a Creole seasoning. And the brand was Broussard's. It was Broussard's seasoning. And I really, really dug that stuff. It was super good. And I think Hurricane Karina wiped them right off the map. Could you imagine? Hopefully you can't. Hopefully you haven't had to go through that. If you're watching and you've gone through that stuff, man, I couldn't imagine what it'd be like to like come up and, you know, or have your family house and all that stuff, and then all of a sudden Mother Nature wreaks havoc and everything you ever had is gone. Maybe you lose a family member, somebody gets injured. It's just crazy. But there's got to be a reason to live in that area, I guess, because that would not be my first choice to live down there. But I would guess if you are a roofer, you would be really happy to live down in that area. A lot of money in roofing down there. Roofing, structural. Oh, we've only got a little bit of our organic red pepper flake left. I'm gonna, yeah. Just a little. I just got a new one. And believe it or not, it cost like $2 more than the last time I got one, like maybe 2 years ago. Get down in there. Get down on it. Get down on it. There we go. And we need some sprinklers of, what do you call it? Seeds, yeah. And I think some fried onion would go nicely with this. Do I have any? I have fried onion, but I don't know if I've got any, hoobity. Where is it? I need that stuff. I need it. I don't need fried onion. I need fried onion. Crud. Where is it? It's around here somewhere. It can't be far, ladies and gentlemen. It is my fried onion, and I need it now. Need fried onion now? Call JG. Ah. Yeah, call JG fried crispy onion. 877 crispy onion. I could put some sriracha on it. That's one of the words I was looking for. Should I do that? Well, if you insist. I do have that. Starter up. Like a backwards dollar sign? What the heck is up with that? I don't know. I was really cold. Oh, and I got my shots yesterday. You alright out there?
Yes.
Okay, buddy.
Papa, why did you get a shot?
I got a shot on my arm, see? I got one there, that was my flu shot, and I got one here, that was my COVID shot.
Oh.
Yeah.
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 Mama should be out back 2 minutes.
Okay. Alright. All right, this is good stuff. If you like sriracha, you're gonna definitely dig on this. So yeah, so I got my COVID and my flu shot, and it's funny because when I was just showing my son, so I remember, gosh, when we were going during all, you know, when you have a kid, your wife will have like a bazillion doctor's appointments. We were in there once, and there was like a wall of pamphlets. And there was one with a guy going like this, and he had like shades on, he had like greasy hair. It was like a line art drawing, I'll be quick. And a mustache. And he had a tattoo on his shoulder that said vasectomy. It was like, wow, that's an interesting life choice to get a tattoo that says vasectomy. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't get weird tattoos, but get your shots. Have a good one, and bye-bye.